Hi, third graders. Happy Monday. So I was so impressed with the haikus that you all created and shared on Flipgrid. And I am super excited today to start a new type of poetry. So far, we have written acrostic poems, you have written color poems, you have written haiku, and this week we are going to be working on silly rhyming poems. So I'm going to read this poem. It's called Five Busy Honeybees, and we're going to be thinking about rhyming words as I read it. So I'll read it first, and then we'll talk about it. Five busy honeybees. Five busy honeybees were resting in the sun. The first one said, "Let us have some fun." The second one said, "Where shall it be?" The third one said, "In the honey tree." The fourth one said, "Let's make some honey sweet." The fifth one said, "With pollen on our feet." The five little busy bees sang their buzzing tune as they worked in the beehive all that afternoon. Buzz, 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 buzz. Okay, so let's go back through and just notice where the words are rhyming in this poem. Let's look at the first two lines. We will call this line line A. I can't make a mark on this, I don't think. Oh, maybe I can see if I can use this tool here. Okay, we will call this line line A. And wherever I find a rhyming word, I'm going to put an A next to it. Five busy honeybees were resting in the sun. The first one said, "Let us have some fun." So sun and fun are both rhyming in this poem. So I'm going to put an A next to this. Now, if another word at the end rhymes, I will also give it an A. If not, I'm going to give it a B. The second one said, "Where shall it be?" So fun and B aren't rhyming. So I'm going to put a B. Third one said, "In the honey tree." Tree and bee. So I'm going to put a B next to that. Let's look at the next line. Let's look at the last word in the last line. Sweet. Does that rhyme with tree? No. So I'm going to give this a C. Sweet and feet, they rhyme. So I'm going to give that a C. Let's look at the last two words. Tune and afternoon. Does tune rhyme with feet? No. So I'm going to give this a D. And afternoon and tune rhyme. So I'm going to give this a D as well. So in this poem, we call this an AABBCCDD rhyming poem. And we call that AABBCCDD rhyming poem because each of the first two lines rhyme. So this is an AA, the second two lines here, this is a BB, this is a CC line, and this is a DD line. So this is a particular type of rhyming poem that follows an AA, BB, CC, DD rhyming pattern. We are going to be working on creating poems that have AA, BB, CC rhyming patterns throughout the week, and perhaps we'll look at poems that have other rhyming styles. So I'm going to give you a few poems to look at and see if you can figure out what kind of rhyming pattern it is, and then we're going to be working this week on making one of our own rhyming pattern poems.